I found Utah Home Remodel Experts online. Their reviews were great. They're gonna do a new kitchen remodel for me and new flooring, hardwood and carpet, stairwell railing, and they're gonna expand my laundry room. And I'm super excited to see it all when it's completed. Wow, the space now that it's done is incredible. I'm so happy with the results. Everything turned out just as I thought, if not better. So my favorite things in the kitchen, one of which is the stove. I've been waiting a long time to have a stove that I can cook on for a lot of people. So I'm excited about getting to use that. And the cabinets turned out fabulous. I would definitely recommend Utah Home Remodel Experts. I think they do a great job and they keep everybody in the loop, and you know, the price was right, so I'm very happy with them. I would definitely recommend them to any of my friends or family.